Thank you very much po.
Thank you so much po.
Excited na po kayo magmanahan?
Of course. Ano expectation niyo, ma'am?
Alam ko na eh.
Pero gano'n ka-proud ka po sa kanya ngayon?
Of course, very proud.
Ayan mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, malakpakan po natin ang cast na Hello, Love Again! And of course, kasama nga natin Direk Cathy, Katrina, and Alden Richard! And of course, the rest of the cast na nandito na, ayan, please, batiin lang po natin lahat ng mga kapamilya, mga kapuso po natin na nandito and invite na po natin sila.
Okay, magsisimula Black Team. Black Team, kayo muna, Black Team.
Jonas, please do the honor.
Sa lahat po na nandito ngayong evento, maraming salamat. Sa lahat na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat. Sana po, tulungan ninyo kami i-spread back news na po, showing na po ang Hello, Love Again. Kaya dalhin nyo na yung mga kapamilya, kamag-anak, kahit kaaway nyo, isama nyo na. Kaya mag-enjoy tayo lang.
Guys, habit ko yan today.
After 5 years, Hello, Love, Goodbye will be having its sequel tonight. And we thank Glade, of course, for the support. Thank you for supporting this film. And ihanda nyo na po ang mga tissue nyo at tubig. At sabi nga ni Kath, walang CR break. Because this is gonna be a roller coaster ride for everyone. Like Hello, Love Again is not just a love story, but a story about life. So sana po pagkatapos ng pelikulang to, you all come out of the cinema na inspired and ready to live your lives. Thank you so much.
Lahat ng ating in-expect kasi we asked what are their expectations for the movie. And with that, I'd like to call on the executives from Glade to take this opportunity to have your photo taken with Catherine and Alden. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Joy and Ethan gracing us with their presence tonight here at the special movie screening of Hello, Love Again. And of course, we would like to thank Glade Philippines for releasing their 3 new garments, Glade Boracay Sunshine Breeze, Glade Baguio and Peony, and Glade Siargao, Glade Baguio Rose and Peony, and Glade Siargao Refreshing Breeze. Once again, thank you so much, Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. Thank you so much for joining us this evening and gracing us with your presence. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, may we request everyone to...
All the people who are here, thank you.
Alden Richards!
Po, maraming salamat po sa mahilig yung pagkakami gabi at maraming salamat sa mga excited mapanood muli ang kwento ni Joy Chita. Napakasaya namin and we're very proud of this film and we're very excited for you guys to see it. Mas available na siya locally all over the Philippines because 500 cinemas tayo and of course we're 900 cinemas all over the world. So we're very proud and we're very excited at maraming salamat po. Please enjoy the film. Thank you.
Yes! Again, gusto natin pasalamatan lahat po ng mga kapamilya at mga kapuso po natin na pumunta ngayong gabi, mga kaibigan, our bosses, friends, family. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga nakasama po namin. Again, magsisimula pa lamang po tayo. Bukas na nga po yan. Kaya muli, iniwitan po namin kayong panoorin ang Hello, Love Again! Siyempre!
And bago sila pumasok, picture muna sila. Yeah.
Aka na to, may sinasabi daw. Okay, may blacking to si Joros. May sariling black. Okay, may sariling blacking si Joros. Go! Yes! Nagtumatak yun. Pero again, photo up lang po tayo sa lahat din. Picture. Okay. Okay, kanina po muna tayo. Photo op. Come on. Photo op lang po. Sideways pa